At Form8949.com, our web application addresses the special needs of active traders who use TurboTax. If you have several hundred or several thousand broker transactions and use TurboTax, you'll be faced with import limitations. The TurboTax program limits the number of transactions that can be imported. For the online editions, the limit is 500 transactions. For desktop editions, the limit is approximately 2,000. To work around these issues, our application generates Form 8949 for you. In addition, we create special summary transactions for you to import into TurboTax. By importing only a few summary transactions, you get around the number of transactions limit. Importing these summary transactions is easy and will save you time. Also, you can use the Deluxe edition of TurboTax instead of the Premier edition when you import. Our program automatically works around the 10 million per transaction limit for you. In summary, take these steps. Use our application to generate Form 8949 in PDF format. Print the PDF pages. Using the instructions we provide, import the summary transactions into TurboTax. If you are paper filing your return, replace the Form 8949 generated by TurboTax with the one generated by our program. If you are electronically filing, attach the Schedule D and Form 8949 we generate to Form 8453 and mail the papers to the Austin Processing Center listed in the instructions to Form 8453. It's just that easy.